Why could there be a price change from when you initially did my inspection to when I signed my proposal? Let's say it's over 60 days later. Why would there be a price increase? Hey everyone, welcome to another episode of Foundation Repair. You ask, we answer. Today's question is, why could there be a price change from when you initially did my inspection to when I signed my proposal? Let's say it's over 60 days later. Why would there be a price increase?
Yeah, that's an outstanding question, Brian. I've actually had this situation come up twice in the last week. Two customers I went to in January signed some decent sized proposals. One was $40,000 and one was almost $60,000 to do foundation repair. They signed in January, or I went out there initially in January. They signed within the last week or two. So right now we're in late September. Since then, our company has received increase of steel pricing from the manufacturer we use, and it's gone up twice. So something that's been a proposal I did in January or 9 months ago is now completely different because of the steel pricing, and we had to raise some of our pricing a couple times due to that. So it's another few $1,000 price reduction, but I would say the main thing is people waiting to sign a proposal. Like if I go out there, they understand and they don't put a signature and to get the work started, then they could just run into those things to where a year down the line, 6 months down the line, we've had a price increase or decrease or whatever. More often than not, it's going to be an increase, but that's pretty much the fluctuation.
Yeah, and to kind of back Mark up on this, we have had quite a bit of increases in costs, not just in material costs, but labor costs too. Not just in Southern California and Arizona, but throughout the entire U.S. and other countries as well are facing the same struggles that we are out here. And unfortunately, for our business to stay in business, we have to continue to raise prices to cover those additional costs. So that is why you're seeing it, and that is why it can actually end up costing you more by waiting and not moving forward with your foundation repair project sooner rather than later. And so we just strongly recommend, once we come out there, visit with you, if you're really serious about getting your foundation fixed, then let's go ahead and get it signed, booked, move forward with it so we can lock in those material and labor prices now versus 6 to 8 months down the road where you could see 20-30% increases on it as well. All right, thank you, Mark, and thank you all for joining us on another episode of You Ask,
We Answer.